Alright guys, on the randomized numbers of the basketball game tonight, 7:31 p.m. Type live. We are live. 7:31. 7:31. Grab the list. Drop it in. 10 entries. There we are. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a raffle. 8, that's good. 8 times, good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh wait, I counted wrong. Sorry, 6. It's right up there. 7. My computer delayed a little bit, but it was all right up here. That's 7. Final round is the next click, and you have your numbers. Good luck. 8. Here we are. Here are the numbers. I'll drop them at the bottom of the post. We are done. 7:32. We are done. 7:32. 7:32. Timestamp verification.